we have invited all 4 of our kids to come to lunch today, and they have come and brought their extended family. So we have our son-in-law and both of our grandkids here today. So we need to cook a really big meal because we're big people and we're really hungry. And so we took this recipe for what we call Philly Cheatsteaks, Philly Cheatsteaks. Because they're made with ground beef rather than steak, and we have just expanded it. So we have got 4 pounds of ground beef here that we're just going to throw on a very, very hot grill, and then Randall's going to cook it up for us.
The good thing about this new griddle, the Blackstone griddle here, is you can just throw all this on here at once. You can chop it, you can do whatever. You ain't got to worry about scratching any kind of surface or anything like that. And honestly, with this stuff, we actually use a little bit fattier meat than what we would normally cook with inside, simply because it gives us extra grease on anything, and it actually helps season the grill even more.
And the grease drains off the back into the tray.
Yes, that's the wonderful thing about this griddle here, is it's got what they call the rear grease management system, where it's got a little thing, it just drips right up back out into a little pan we got inserted in the back. You get done cooking, you just toss it.
And that's a whole onion.
And again, we're just going to saute this onion up, folks, and then we're going to mix it all in together.
That's 1.5 bell peppers.
Like I said, good thing here, you just cook everything all in together. Once you start getting cooked up, keep mixing it in together here.
2 containers of mushrooms.
We'll just let these soften up. We'll let these soak up some of that oil. We'll continue working everything in here to our beef. And then what we'll do at the end, we'll actually bring the rolls out here. We'll throw them on here so we'll brown them up real good. And they'll soak up some of this grease. And it is some of the best Philly cheesesteaks you ever had.
Toss the cheese.
We're just tossing cheese.
What we do here, guys, just throw the cheese right in here. Just fold it in with everything else. It'll meld up and get through your whole thing. Obviously, if you wanted to, you could use the real cheese whiz on this, but we just found the slicer to be a little bit more convenient.